Now I would like to show you Deep Cold Box. This Deep Cold Box, crafted from vacuum insulated bag or box VIBB materials, is available in both foldable and non-foldable variants. This Deep Cold Box is designed with polyurethane VIP, which is about 5 times more efficient in terms of thermal insulation compared to EPS or XPS panels. The performance of Deep Cold Box is that at ambient temperature of plus 30 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius within 3 days by considering the contents which were pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. VIBB Deep Cold Box is available in various sizes, capacities, and weights to accommodate different requirements and has a number of applications such as in fresh and frozen food logistics, food distributors and retailers, for delivery of frozen products like ice cream, seafood, and prepared meals to retail locations, catering services, and e-commerce online businesses to transport ingredients and prepare dishes to event locations, farmers and fisheries for transporting perishable products and seafood to market or processing facilities.